Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wahdah wassalatu wassalamu ala man la nabiyya ba'dah. Amma ba'd. All praise for Almighty Allah and all peace be to upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today I am going to say something about English. English is an international language, but it is not our mother tongue. As a result, we aren't expert in English. But I had a dream to learn English, so I got admitted at GIST method. It is located at Mirpur in Dhaka. Before coming here, I couldn't speak in English because I am a student of madrasa background. Most of the students of madrasa background aren't expert at English. They are very weak in English. But now I can speak in English properly because I have finished my course here, and my course was very easy and effective for me. As a result, I can speak and write in English very easily about any topic. Actually, English is very important in our lives. English helps us for our education, for our business, for our communication. Without learning English, we can't get a good job, we can't build our career, we can't build our future life. We can't have any foreign communication, so we should learn English attentively. We should learn English attentively. If we learn English attentively, it must be helpful for our future life. And I think English should be included in our madrasa education, because most of the students of madrasa, they are very weak in English, and nowadays English must be included in our madrasa education to spread Islam in the world. Finally, I hope you will pray to Allah for me so that learning English I can spread Islam in the world. That's all about English. No more today. Thanks all for having your patience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.